Hello students. Hello. Standard 4 students. Now we will teach the lesson 1. Lesson 1. Our country India. It continued from page 7 to 10. Okay. It continued from page 7 to 10. So now open the page standard 7. Standard page 7, standard 4. Okay. India, why we are famous for India? Because India is a unique country. Because India is a unique country. India. This India is a unique country because it is one of the oldest civilization of the world. One of the oldest civilization in the world. Okay, first is the unique country, then oldest civilization. Remember 10 points. 10 points of our country. 10 points. First point is the unique country. Second point is the oldest civilization. पुराना सभ्यता. सबसे पुराना सभ्यता है. हमारा country is the सबसे पुराना सभ्यता. Oldest civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization. From Indus to India. Indus is a river from Indus to India. Then third is the second populated country in the world. The second populated country in the world. Okay. It covers an area 32 lakh 87,264 kilometers, square kilometers area. Area is the 32 lakhs 87,264 square kilometers, and it is the fifth point is the 10 point. We have covered 4 point. First point is the unique country. Second point is the oldest country, oldest civilization in the world, and it is the populated country. First country is the China, is the very populous country. It is the world in the first is China. Then second is India, second population country, and it covers an area of 32 lakh 87,264 square kilometer. So it is the seventh largest country in the world. Seventh largest country in the world. And ocean. 3 sides are ocean. India's 3 sides are ocean. 3 sides, which is Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal is in the east, and west is the Arabian Sea. Okay, 3 Indian Ocean in the south, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, Arabian Sea in the west, and Bay of Bengal is in the east. So oceans, 3 oceans around in India. Then point number 7, India consists of 29 states and 7 union territories. India consists of 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay. Then 8th point, India is divided into 6 natural regions. 6 natural regions such as northern plains in Himalayas. This is Himalayas, northern plains. Okay. The northern mountain Himalayas, northern plains. Second is the northern plains, and third is the great Indian desert, that is Rajasthan. Western part of Rajasthan, that is a Thor desert. That is a Thor desert. Desert name is Thor desert. You will know afterwards. Then peninsular plateau. Fourth is the peninsular plateau. Look at 4th D is the peninsular plateau. Then 5th is the coastal plains. Eastern coastal plain. This is eastern coastal plain, and this is western coastal plain. So 2 plains are there. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Okay. Then islands. Islands is the 2 islands. One is the in the Arabian Sea, another is the Bay of Bengal. Another is the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is in the east side, and that is Andaman and Nicobar. And Lakshadweep is the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep and two islands. One is Lakshadweep, another is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Then ninth is the extension. How far it extends? From Kanyakumari to Jammu Kashmir. Okay, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, northern side to southern side. That is Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Assam. So extension India extends from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from north to south, and from Gujarat to Assam, west to east. Gujarat, then Assam. Okay, it extends. Okay, eastern side, western side, northern side, and southern side. Extension. Then ninth part is the extension finished. Then 10 is the neighboring countries. India is called a subcontinent. Do you know India is called a subcontinent? Why? Why India is called a subcontinent? Because the common boundary is next to India. Common boundaries. The common boundaries of the neighboring countries. Neighboring countries, what are the neighboring countries? Pakistan. Neighboring common boundaries. Common boundaries with different countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka, and like other countries also. Okay, Maldives, everywhere. So 13 countries around the India. In India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, then Nepal, China, like this. Here is the 9 countries, and another island countries are the 4 islands. So 13 countries around the India. So it is called as the subcontinent. It is all about the India. It is all about 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 points. Then come to the important words. What are the important words? What is subcontinent? Important words. Subcontinent. The large part. Write down and also remember this. The large part of the continent, geographically clear and bold, due to many factors, basically neighboring countries, is called as subcontinent. Okay, it is called as the subcontinent. Then ocean, mass of salted water covering mostly in Earth's surface. The mass of salted water covering mostly in Earth's surface, that is called ocean. Then plateau is an area of top land higher than the plain. Top land higher than the plain. This is the plain, this is the plateau. Then hill, then mountain, like this. Okay, this is the topography of the earth. The plateau is the area of top land, an area of top land higher than the land. It is called plateau. Then waterfall, a cascade of water falling vertically from north to south, okay, from a river or a stream, from the extreme height, it is called as the waterfall. So it is all about the page 7 to 10, chapter 1, our country India. Mostly remember the 10 points and the important words, these 4. 10 points and important words: subcontinent, ocean, plateau, and the waterfall. You have not read out in the standard 3. So in the standard 4, first chapter is the our country India. You all remember these points, 10 points and the important words. Okay. Then come to the chapter next class. Come to the chapter. This chapter, but question answer. Page 11. It continued from page 7 to 10, and the page 11 is the question answer. So you will do the question answer in your home and send it by your guardian to the school. Okay. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Bye.